Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a first impressions on this lash perming kit that I got from Amazon. I got it for just about $19. So this is what the kit looks like inside. It comes with all these different bottles and then they're all labeled, like all numbered. It also, I honestly don't know what these are. This is the lash glue, I guess, and then whatever these things are that like go on your lashes and just like stay there. I don't know, I'm really excited to try this out. It'll be a really cheap alternative than getting them done professionally. And also I have a couple of trips coming up, so it'll be nice if I have my lashes just nice and curled and ready to go, or just to be a little bit more minimal. So the first step says to cleanse the lashes, which would be to use the number 4 bottle, so this clearer one. So I guess like just gonna cleanse my lashes. I assume this is what they mean. Next it says apply shields, which is the white silicone pad or roller. This might be that, or like these are the shields. I don't know what are the shields. I wish that they had like pictures. This has got to be the shield, right? Oh, I should take before and after pictures. Hold on. It says to apply it, but like how am I supposed to apply it? It's not gonna stay. Done. So apply glue to the underside of the shields. You may need to trim the ends if they are too big. Actually, this kit comes with different sizes, so I'm just gonna use a small. The other one I was using was a medium. I still might need to trim it like a little bit. I'm gonna trim it on the outer corner. It also says to take some glue and put it on the underneath, but I'm really nervous for the glue to be put on my eyelid. I mean, maybe it'll be okay. Okay, so to get as close to the lash line as possible. Okay, the last thing I want is lashes to get caught underneath. I can't see anything because my contacts, they're like getting mushed around. Maybe I shouldn't have worn them. Oh my god, this is so weird. Hello. Attach the lashes to the shields. You may need to do a section at a time so the glue doesn't dry out. I think I'm gonna put the glue on the shield so that my lashes will stick to the glue onto the shield. And oh, I think that this is what this is for, I'm guessing. Okay, you probably do want to wait a little bit for the glue to get tacky or it like won't stick that well. I hope that this works because this is really weird. Hopefully I don't have a weird allergic reaction. My lashes look so cool like this though. I didn't realize I had so many of them. If you've ever watched my removing lash extensions video, which I highly recommend you don't watch it. Not that I wish I did things differently, but just I get so much hate on that video. People are so mean to me. But as you can see, my lashes all grew back. Ooh, we are getting there. We are getting there. Okay, but for real, like the lash glue is not working great. Like, it's been pretty hard to get the lashes to stay like up like that, but we are gonna move along. Apply the Perm lotion, which is this bottle right here. I look crazy. Okay. Apply from the base to the mid section of the lashes. If you apply it over the lash, they will become unstuck and the lash won't set. Okay, so I'm gonna apply the Perm lotion, which I don't know how they expect me to apply it. Oh my god, this smells horrible. Ew. Am I gonna get an eye infection? Okay, it says to apply it from the base to the mid, but not the whole thing, because it'll unset and it'll be no good. Ooh, this smells bad. It smells a little bit like chemicals and sulfur. Then there's like a whole section of lashes that didn't get stuck down. I'm so upset. Can I just use my finger? I hope I don't get a freaking eye infection. Ew, there's like a yellow piece that just came out, like an orange piece. I'm hoping this is eye safe because I definitely just got a ton of it in my eye. So my camera stopped recording, so I went ahead and did this one off camera, and this one is ready to take off. I set like a little timer for 15 minutes because that's what it suggested on the card. Oh, I don't have to take it off yet. I have to apply something else. I have to apply the setting lotion, which is this one, this blue one. The setting lotion doesn't smell as foul. I'm going to apply it with my finger. I did this side much better than I did this side. It was much easier using a finger, and also I was able to fix my mistakes from the first time around. So it just says to apply it the same exact way as the perming lotion. Just as a tip, I recommend that you don't wear contacts while you're doing this. So yeah, I just recommend, probably if you're going to do this, well, if it works out, but if you're gonna do this, I recommend that you not wear contacts. First of all, my eyes are so uncomfortable right now. I wish I could just like keep them shut. Anyway, and they're kind of burning a little bit. This side specifically, but I think I got like a lot of the stuff inside my eye. But I recommend that you use your finger, your ring finger, to push the product into your lashes. I found that that was the easiest way to do that. So about total, this process would take you about 30 minutes. So maximum, 30 minutes max. So if you're gonna leave the perm lotion on for 15 minutes, the set lotion for 10 minutes, and the moisture lotion for 5 minutes, that's how long the process would be about 30 minutes or so. Oh my god, this is so uncomfortable. I think I'm just gonna sit here with my eyes closed and wait for the timer to go off because it's so uncomfortable. Oh my god. Okay, so the next directions says to clean it with a dry cotton pad. So I don't really know how clean this is getting it since it's dry, but that's just what the directions say. And then to use the moisture lotion. The moisture lotion. It's very oily and it smells like old people, but it's fine. That smells much better than whatever the hell I was putting on my eyes before. So I'm just going to apply it the same way with my fingers. And this part says to leave on for 5 minutes. Alright, so just more waiting. This is a very annoying process. I feel like maybe you could do like a sheet mask or something while you do this. So the timer went off and I'm ready to take this stuff off now. So for the last instruction, it says to wipe excess away. The lashes should easily unattach from the shield now. Can use toothpick. So you can use a toothpick near your eye if you need to. And then it says, if there's still a lot tint left on lashes, clean them with damp cotton bud. And then don't pull any of my lashes out. Nice. I wonder if I can reuse those shields. We'll see if I even want to do this again. Ooh, my eyes are free and my tight line is very red. Wow, my lashes look fantastic. I'm gonna use that cleansing water again to just make sure all of everything is off. There's still like a good bit of glue left over. I can kind of see why they would say to use a toothpick, maybe to like separate the lash from the shield, but I didn't need to do that and it wasn't uncomfortable at all. This side looks so much better. Everything is way more evened out. I just think I did a really crap job applying it the first time on this side. So maybe just make sure your lashes are nice and evenly spread out among the little lash shield. So I obviously don't know how long this is gonna last. I think a lot of the reviews had said that it lasts about 2 weeks on them, which is great. I don't know how long it's gonna last on me. I can update the description bar when I do find out how long it lasts on myself. But overall, I feel like my experience was fairly positive when I saw the results. During, it was quite uncomfortable, especially if you're a contact wearer. I do recommend that you just go ahead and take your contacts out completely and then do this process. But before I end this video, I do want to talk about another product. I've been using the Eyelash Advanced Lash Serum. All I do before bed and when I wake up in the morning is I apply some to my lash line, and I also have been applying it to my brows, and it's been doing wonders for both my lashes and my brows. I've really noticed a decent amount of growth with my lashes. They have just been a lot longer and a little bit thicker, and then same with my eyebrows. I do have like a bald spot over here in my brows. Not that it's fixed it completely, but I do notice that the bald spot is getting a little bit more minimized. If you do have a product like this, or this one specifically, use it for a couple of weeks. Don't give up on it at like the 2-week mark or something, because I know I wasn't seeing results at around 2 weeks and it was kind of discouraging for me, but I kept applying it, kept being consistent with it, and then at about the 3-week mark I really noticed a difference, which does make sense with your normal lash growth. I just recommend that if you want to go ahead and give this product a shot, which again, it's the Eyelash Advanced Lash Conditioner, to go ahead and use it for a couple of weeks, be consistent with it. Even if you don't see results, keep using it because you will eventually see results. The only thing, it's a bit pricey. I was lucky enough to get it sent to me, but it is a bit expensive. But I did just want to mention it, and in this video I just wanted to let you guys know that I had been using this product just because it made sense for the video. Like, you know, I'm perming my eyelashes. I want you guys to know that like this is how I've been getting my lashes to look extra long. But yeah, that's everything. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Again, I will update the description bar when I find out how long this perming action has lasted on me. Overall, I think that the kit is worth it for like the immediate results that I got. The only thing that I would really recommend is that you use your fingers to apply a lot of the steps, and except for the glue, don't bother using your fingers for the glue part. But for the moisturizer, the setting one, and the priming little cream, I recommend using your ring finger to just like pat it in. You'll get like the best results that way. Like this side came out way better than this side. And then also I do want to recommend that you probably use a spoolie to first brush out your lashes before you do anything with them so they're not clumped up or anything, and then continue like kind of brushing them on top of the shield just to make sure that things are separated. I did that more on this side than this side, and again, this side came out way better than this side. So yeah, those are just some pointers that I wanted to go ahead and give you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to be notified whenever I post a new video, and hopefully I see you next time.